Hi guys, welcome back to Stuti Studio. As promised, this is the second part of my macrame chair. If you're here today, I'm hoping that you have seen my last video, which was the part 1. And if you have not, I will link the video on the I button over there and also on the description. On the first part, I showed you how I start making the chair and end up making the upper part of it. On this video, I'm going to make the seat of the chair. The procedure is almost the same, but there will still have some changes, so do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Start attaching the cords. This time I'm taking a little longer cords of about 140 inches long, because last time some of my cords were really short and I had to join some of the pieces, and the number of cords are exactly same as last time, that is 30 of them. Join them one by one across the whole line. After you are done joining, I am going to do the same pattern. In case you have missed it, I am going to show that to you again. Take this 6 cord from one side, preferably from left side. Separate the outer 2 cords for a while. With this 4 cords from the middle, make a square knot. The left cord will make a L shape. Then this right cord will go from behind and pass through. This will make a knot. Tighten it and repeat this process with the right cord now. Make a L shape with the right one, and the left one will go from behind and pass through. Then take this leftmost cord, which we left in the beginning, and start looping it with the second cord. Just give it a one loop around the cord like this and tighten it, and then go for one more loop. Then come to the second cord. Do it twice with this one too. Then do it with the right cord too. At last, loop the left cord with the right one. That will be the end of this pattern. This is the design for the entire chair. Repeat the same design along the first row. The cords were super long and was quite difficult to pass the cords over and over again, but I somehow did the first row. Come to the second row now. Starting pattern of the second row will be placed between these 2 upper patterns. But before starting with the pattern, do expand the looping pattern towards the left side. Then take the 6 cords from the middle and start forming the pattern. Now do this on the whole row. Repeat the same thing over and over again, the design will form automatically. After spending quite a long time, this is how the chair gonna look like. This time I am going to attach it into this bigger frame instead of the smaller one. Now for joining, take the cord from the behind and wrap around the frame like this with a very tight grip. Second time, while wrapping, pass the cord through the loop like this. And that's it. Do this with all the cords one by one. If you have enough space, you can go for more wrapping. After the attaching is finished, this is how the chair gonna look like. Go for the sides to join them with the frame. Simply attach one more cord and bind the pattern with the frame like this, but it has to be really tight. Then come to the bottom part of the chair. The cords must be still hanging in the chair like this. Do one more row of the pattern here. Then I am going to cut the cords on a slanting way from the both sides. So that's how I'm done with the whole chair. Do let me know how it was, and thank you for watching the video till the end. Bye bye.